It's their bullseye. Oh yeah, there's some gooey bits. That's probably an eyeball or a brain or something. No idea. Oop. There's our sisig, which is just pork face fried up, and then bulaklak, which is like fried insides. What's up, guys? So we're got another day here. Stopped for some iced coffee at this little shop here. They've got all sorts of Korean drinks and ice cream, milk tea, a little bit of everything. I got a Spanish latte. It's super good. Oh yeah, that's what I needed. Get some energy for the day. So we're going to find a place called Bullseye Sandawa. I guess they have bullseye soup. So we're gonna eat some eyes this morning for breakfast. So we'll see how that goes. All right, we'll see you later. Good morning. I don't think they get many foreigners walking through here. But I'm trying to find my way. This is what Google says to take, so we'll see where we end up. I think we're close though. Excuse me, bro. Do you know where Bullseye Sundawa?
Yes, sir.
Down here? Okay. Thank you, my friend. I'm on the right path. Lots of nice little alleyways here. Ah, thank you very much, my friend. Thank you, sir. Ooh. Oh, it's hot. Very hot. How much is the bullseye soup? Ah. Bullseye. Can I have the barbacoa bullseye? Please? Can I eat inside or? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Hey, good morning. Wow.
Dine in.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me. I got the bullseye soup and then.
Only one?
Yes, ma'am. How much is the bulaklak?
80 pesos.
80 pesos
Per order.
per order. I'll have one order of that.
Yeah.
And then
One order?
one order.
Okay.
Is it sisig?
Yeah.
Can I have one sisig?
One sisig.
And 2 rice?
How about soft drinks?
I have water. I'm okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
19.
Thank
your
you.
number
Where do I? Upstairs?
upstairs.
Okay, thank you.
How many black sisig?
this is a bit nice. Oh, wind. Oh, this is nice. Right here is fine. Thank you. All right, guys, so we made it. We're in Bullseye, Sandawa. Gave you a little walk through. You can see it's like a buffet after you order the soup. It's very hard to find. I mean, I guess it's correct on Google Maps, so if you can follow the map, but it's you have to go down alleyways to get to this alleyway, and it's not really marked at the end of the alley. So you just walk to the middle, and then you find it. So, but people seem to know where it is. It's a nice little neighborhood. I'm in like a nice balcony area. I don't know what you can see behind me, but we got the bullseye soup, we got sisig, and we got chicharon balaklak, which is like, balaklak is like flour. So this is like fatty flour around pork intestines or something like that. I don't really want to look too much into it, but some sort of insides that's fatty fried up. So let's take a look at what we got. This is our bullseye. Oh yeah, there's some gooey bits. That's probably an eyeball or brain or something. No idea. Oop. There's our sisig, which is just pork face fried up. And then balaklak, which is like fried insides. We got our sasawan. Let's get some lime in there. Calamansi. Okay. Now, give me 1 second and we'll try it. Better light. I think, yeah, this is better. It's coming from the window. There we go. Beautiful. Very hot. It was a 40-minute walk to get here. So let's say a little prayer that the food is good. Thank you, Lord, for this. All right. I guess let's start with what I know. I know the bulaklak is going to be good. Let's dip it in this sauce. Standard fried bulaklak, nothing special. They had like a bunch of things down there. I want to try more. Maybe I'll get more after this. We'll see how we feel, I guess. Yeah, fried skin and fat. It's delicious. How about our sisig? Nice little fatty bits. The buffet was huge, though. I guess they sell a lot of food. It's nice. It's not spicy. I wish it was spicy. We'll have some chilies. Maybe I'll pop a few chilies in there. Let's get those down in there. Add a little spice to our sisig, like it should be. Nice. Now let's try our soup. So, I don't know what any of these pieces are. Let's try the soup first. Tastes good. It's like beef soup. Honestly, it's just like delicious, fatty bits, onion. It's a very clear broth. It's very blonde, but it's delicious. I mean, imagine just like a beef soup your mom made. Just heavy on onion and garlic. Let's get another piece out of here. If you didn't tell me that was eyeball, I wouldn't think it was eyeball. I don't know what this is. It fell out. That's meat. Okay. I think. So far, so good. I'm pretty happy with this. Let me get a picture. It's always good to get pictures for the thumbnails. So I really like walking to places like this because You know, you get to see the real city, what real people are doing. You can see kind of through our walk through, it was just like people chilling. There were people taking baths in the alleyway. People kind of living their lives. And, you know, that's kind of the best way to do it. If you just go to resorts, it's just like a little slice of America. Why the fuck would I want to, or excuse me, maybe I'll cut out that curse word. Why would I want to travel just to basically stay in America light? Like, I want to go somewhere that's different. So going through here, seeing people going to different places like this, like I'm sure they don't get many tourists walking through here. Yeah, let's get a little rice on there. Our soup. I mean, honestly, it just tastes like fatty bits. Yeah, lots of collagen. I'm not seeing anything that looks like an eyeball. Lots of things that look just like bits of skin. Yeah, you see that? The skin and fat. Which for me is good. It's like a nice little chewy soup. It's nice. And the broth is amazing. That's great. So we're gonna finish this and then maybe stop at another place on our way back. 40-minute walk here, 40-minute walk back. Probably burn off a lot of this, hopefully. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll be back. All right, we're on the move. Buy one, get one chicken burger.
Buy one, get one.
Chicken burger, 2 for $100. I really want some ice cream though, to be honest. It's so hot. It's almost noon. I should definitely get back home. Frozen food. Hello. Do you have ice cream? Ice cream next door? Okay, thank you. Hey, bro. Do you have ice cream? Ice cream, ice candy, something? Cold? Let's see. Okay. How much is the boom boom?
18.
18? Okay. I'll do one of those, please. Here we go. There you go, my friend. Thank you. You can keep the 2 pesos.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hot.